Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the second part of this poem, that is, Don't Give Up. Though the study tea has known many a wind that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Here, students, in the third stanza of this poem, here the poet is again given an example of an oak tree. Here, students, oak tree is very sturdy. Sturdy means what, students? Very strong. Here, students, poet says that an oak tree is very strong. So here the poet is saying that the oak tree is very strong and it has a lot experience. It has a good experience of strong winds during storms. And students, the storms which try to break it. Yes, students, this strong wind during storm, the storms which try to break it. Break it means what? Break to oak tree. But students, see here, oak tree does not. Oak tree does not break herself. Here, students, instead of breaking, students, here an oak tree faces difficulties here against this all. And here, students, the oak tree rises and grows in height like a tower with pride. And here, students, poet is saying that even though there is difficulty, even though there is a storm, even though there is strong wind, but still here, students, the oak tree which rises and grows in height like a tower with very pride. As well, students, here poet has given example of an oak tree, and here, students, poet is giving a very good message through her poem, that the poet is saying that to we all, we should never give up and stand tall and keep growing like an oak tree, even if we face difficulties and many problems in our life. Yes, students, we should build our confidence. We should stand tall like an oak tree, and we should face many difficulties. We should face a very strong wind in our life. So here, students, the poet has given a very good message through her poem, that we should follow it each and every time. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that is the taste that tries you. Here, students, in the last stanza of the poem, here, students, the poet is saying that if we win very easily without putting extra efforts, then it will not feel like a victory. Students, I told you that a easy success will not give more satisfaction to you. If you gaining victory, if you gaining victory by struggling hard, so students, that victory will give you satisfaction. That victory will give you satisfactions. But students, without putting extra efforts, students, this victory will not give you satisfactions. It will not feel like victory to you, students. As well, students, the poet is saying that we should keep trying even after failure. Most of the people, students, most of the people in our society, if they fail in any case, so students, they leave themselves. If they fail in any case, students, they leave themselves and they don't see towards that. But students, here the poet is trying to say to us that we should keep trying even after failure. Students, one day will come that you will get success. the one day will come that you will not be failure one at that time. And here students, this victory is the best test that we can pass. At the last students here, through this poem, the poet is saying that don't give up. Here students, don't give up means that even if the result of our hard work are not positive, we should never stop trying. Even though if we have failed in any work, we should stand up and try to do it again and again in any case. We should never give up on our dreams. So in this way students, we have completed this poem today. I hope that you have understood this poem. So thank you very much.